How to stop pop-up ads on Android. This tutorial shows you how to block pop-ups and get rid of unwanted ads appearing on your device. First, open the Chrome app on your Android device. After that, tap the three dots at the top right and tap on Settings. From there, scroll down and tap on Site Settings. Right here, tap on pop-ups and redirects and make sure it is turned off. This stops websites from opening unwanted pop-up windows while you browse. Next up, go back to Site Settings and tap on Ads. Moving on, make sure Ads is also turned off so Chrome blocks intrusive ads from appearing on sites that show excessive advertising. From here, go back to the main settings page, tap on Privacy and Security, and tap on Clear Browsing Data. After that, select Cookies and Site Data along with cached images and files, then tap Clear Data to wipe out anything that may have been left behind by ad-heavy sites. Following this, if pop-ups are still appearing outside of Chrome, open the Settings app on your Android device. Tap on Apps and check if there are any unfamiliar or suspicious apps installed that you don't remember downloading. These are often the source of system-wide pop-up ads. Finally, if you find anything suspicious, long press the icon and tap Uninstall to remove it from your device. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.